welcome back to Imagination Tech. Merry Christmas to you all and a Happy New Year. So I'm here right now at Robinson's Galleria, and I'm here at the Micro Drone Race Park. And no one's here, but RR was here earlier to set up all of these gates, and he's coming back. Haven't flown my Whoop in the longest time, but yeah, I'm here. I'm gonna do some practice runs. The other day we flew long range over at City Mall at Ethix. I was planning to do like around 3 kilometers, 4 kilometers there, but somehow my video cut out. There was strong interference at around 1.5 kilometers, so that was the best I can do. And I uploaded it into the Mountain Servers group because we are still having the 2022 year-end long range challenge is still ongoing, so you can still post your long range videos. We even extended it to January 15 because everyone's busy with the holidays. So if you haven't, do check out this link or this video. I'm going to post it somewhere here. Do check that out. And if you're here in the Philippines, please join that. We're having categories for drones, drone long range, fixed wing long range, as well as the best mountain surfing edit that you can post. So I'm just gonna fly a little bit more, and we'll catch you in a little bit. So we were at the Micro Drone Park in Robinson's Galleria a few days ago, and that was a partnership between Robinson's Galleria, Robinson's Malls, and Tiny Whoop Philippines. So I think, instead of just letting that unused space go to waste, they just thought that would be a good use for that space, and I think it is a good use because every week there's people going there, having fun races, just flying their drones on that 4th floor in that relatively unused section of the mall. So today we are here on our way back to Baguio, and we're here at TPLX somewhere in Tarlac, and I just flew there around 3 kilometers for the drone long range distance challenge. And of course my entry is not going to be included in the contest, but it is going to be an unofficial entry. But I just wanted to show people that this is possible even with an analog setup, that you can do 3 kilometers. And last year Harold Cultura actually did 5 kilometers with his analog setup, and it is really possible. Right now the #1 spot is by someone who flew a DJI digital FPV system, a digital quad using a DJI goggles and an air unit, or I think it's a Vista or O3. I'm not really sure which one, but it's a digital system, and they had clear what do you call this, reception. They had clear video all the way up to I think he did 3.5 or more than 3.5 kilometers. And with a digital setup, you don't get to experience breakup like you would with an analog system, but the limitation was still on the battery, and there is a hard limit with a digital setup. You could potentially go farther with an analog setup, but yeah, that really depends on the pilot, the setup, and so right now the competition is head to head with the digital and analog systems, and they're still pretty much at par, and both systems still have a long way to go. They can still reach 7 kilometers, 10 kilometers, maybe even 12 kilometers if the pilots just push it. So I am going to be heading back up to Baguio, driving back up to Baguio, and I'll catch you there.